Jbrick fans, Yitzy Kaswitz for Jbrick.com. 2019, we have a brand new multicolor menorah. We also have a brand new LED kit. It is so cool. It comes with a handheld remote control. 13-year-old could probably set it up, and a 4-year-old can hit the buttons and light it. I'm going to show you how to use the light kit with your menorah. So basically you feed the LED, comes on a wire, comes through, put it through the Lego, at least those 3, and lock down. Just pinch the wire right on the Lego, should be just fine. The wires are thin enough to do it. Here's another one, haven't done anything with it yet. We're gonna take this wire, it should feed right through the Lego holes, right through that candle, out through the bottom. The LED will not go through. I push that up just a tad into the top and place that on the menorah, or Hanukkah, however you wish to call it. The wire tab goes into the circuit board. Follow the diagram on the instructions included. You've got like 4 pages of instructions here. Don't be intimidated. A lot of it's just the basic use, but some of it has some really cool programming features, such as flickering lights and other fun stuff like burnout mode. But let's go ahead and light it up. Let's see what it looks like. Shamash first. Let's just say it's night 8. Just keep clicking away and that'll stay lit for however long you set it, you program it to. It could go from 5 minutes to 45 minutes and then burn out, just like a real menorah. It's really cool. 1 at a time randomly, or you could set it in the regular mode where it'll just stay on all night. Even if you turn off the battery box, it will remember where you're at. So how cool is that? You can, the flicker effect, I'm going a lot faster now, and I could turn it to go slower. So all kinds of really cool, fun programming things to do. The kit's got new packaging, all genuine Lego pieces, packaged in-house here. You get a really nice instruction book, designed in-house as well, professionally printed. Get your Jbrick menorahs and all kinds of other fun Hanukkah sets at Jbrick.com. Don't wait, they sell out. Wait, there's more. Don't forget about this little giblets or gibbets or whatever it's called. I don't know if we can use that term. It's something else, some other Hanukkah shtick. It's a little dreidel. It's really cool. Get it. We do sell out, as I mentioned, like this guy right here. We just sold the last one. They're all limited editions. This is limited edition. I don't know when it's coming back. Not this year, maybe next year, who knows. Don't forget to subscribe. Here, I'm not sure where it goes. Subscribe. Our email list, we don't share it, but we do send you coupons and notifications of brand new sets. You want to be on that list. Get on there now, Jbrick.com.